Hey everyone, this is Savini with Better Homes and Gardens. Hey, I'm out here at Star Farms and I'm at a home by West Bay. This is a brand new home that's move-in ready, so I want to give you a look at this particular home. It's 3 beds, 2.5 baths. It's with a den and it's almost 2,900 square feet. So I want to walk you through here so you can get a better view of it. Here's a view of the front door. You can see the beautiful porch. A lot of nice room if you want to sit out here. All right, so I want to show you the front door. See how pretty that is, the front foyer. Got your tray ceiling up there. And if you walk in, beautiful view, it opens up quite a bit up there. But to your left, you have a couple bedrooms. That door leads to one of the garages. Here you have a bedroom, which could be a guest bedroom with your closet. And this is a Jack and Jill bathroom. So you've got 2 sinks. And a tub and shower. And then this goes into another bedroom with another walk-in closet. So I'm going to turn. This goes into your laundry room right here with a sink. And again, to the foyer. Stopping here. Got a half bath right here off the foyer. And your den is right here with your nice, beautiful glass French doors. Turn around so you can see this. Wow, look at how pretty that is. Look at that ceiling. Love those beams. And what a gourmet kitchen. You've got your 42-inch cabinets, lots of cabinets, beautiful counter space. You've got your quartz counters, large area right here with an island. Do whatever you'd like here as far as having some room to sit and if you want to entertain. This is a gas community, so you have a nice gas range. Big one, it's a nice big range too. And I'll show you some of the pullouts here. Just move this back. I want to let you see very nice quality in here. They didn't cheapen on anything here, see? Look at this. You have your wine fridge. How pretty that is. Love the backsplash. A lot of windows, so it's nice and bright. And your lanai area is pretty big. If you wanted to put a pool back here, you could, and of course you back up to the water, which is even nicer. So I'm going to turn so you can get a better view of the whole living area again from this perspective. Now we haven't even gone into the master. I'm doing that next. So right off the kitchen here is the master or a primary bedroom. And it's a really nice size with your tray ceiling. You've got a good amount of light in here too. And your bathroom, your primary suite right here, your spa tub, nice walk-in shower, and a big walk-in closet. I'm going to walk through here again. I wanted to show you the outside. So you do have a nice water view. You wouldn't have anyone directly behind you. And like I said, it's a good size lanai that you've got back here. If you wanted a kitchen, it's already pre-plumbed right there for the kitchen. So here you go. If you're interested in this, again, this one's 3 beds, 2.5 baths, and a den, almost 2,900 square feet, and it's about 1.1 million. And it's a quick move-in. As you can see, this home is ready for its new owner. If you're interested in this, give me a call, reach out to me, Tess Savini with Better Homes and Gardens. Thank you.